Aquaba, welcome to the channel. My name is Efo Selassie. If you are new on this channel, we talk about social issues, entrepreneurship, and then we visit tourist sites in Ghana to promote Ghana and Africa as a whole. On today's episode, we are here at a Batic and tie and dye company or factory where we are about to talk to a young guy and his mom. They've been in the business for quite a while. They are about to tell us the processes with which they get their tie and dye done. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe. Click the bell button so that anytime I post a video, you'll be notified.
Obeya, Obehiantuma, we have friend Calico. Cotton to man a bar. Now, over is wax, we have friend wax. A friend wax, not or wax. It will be so Jana, yes, so no one nanny. Now, we say a stamp. Do the boma. I listen to Manus. Is there a beer, baby? What do we need?
My mother allow you. But it's not everywhere they will allow you that.
What the stamp on the ball wax now? I listen to Manus. The same beer, baby. Now we are no abo. A drone so you different. Everyone will go in yellow. You see your pink, your food, your orange. You will go here. We say no. Say we say no, and ye breach here. And the tamanish broom, sea broom. And your boy, and I made a good in yellow and a pink. And way brown. A fry and a mere color with. Maybe she. Uli shemu we are the chia, no way. No hata. Oh hata. Was our bo. Obe Philip is our host way. Say your boy who is there. Obeja we no. You be shakala anymore. Na color we aba. A bar. They are Sunday stamp no. A year pebia. Stamp be a pebia na dey sim. We are. Me say food. Me say dey akoshe black. Onya. Nti what is black and we are obey no way be a from my past say 10 minutes no ho ho make us na the unsias jaso it nsuo no e hia I say we go be shipa say that we tamani shema wax no ebe ye film ti we are na we film so hot water ni na dey ato so nwinim na we si we are na ko hata we say that we say ye wie nti we are na abobo na wato amu pepa na first ni nanka we di anka nso form na chana is a rubber na aba no na be say adwuma na man nti no customers be say full akra amere komo go so bi fi ave ko Togo ene we Israel abe toko.
Thank you very much for sticking and staying with us. Thank you for enjoying this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe to the channel at Efo Selassie. Just click the button and then click the bell button so that anytime I post a video, you'll be notified. Let's promote Ghana. Let's promote Africa. Let's wear made in Ghana, just like I'm doing. Enjoy your week.